2026 has already brought some surprising discoveries about the space. In just a few months, scientists observed the birth of a super powerful dead star. They detected mysterious signals from deep space and even found clues that the force pushing the universe to grow bigger might be slowly changing. Some of these discoveries come from giant telescopes on Earth, some come from very small satellites in space, and together they are showing us that the universe may be much stranger than we thought. Here are the 10 fascinating space discoveries from early 2026 that most people have never heard about. Fact number 1. A tail pointing towards the Sun. An unusual object called 31 Atlas was observed by the Hubble Space Telescope. Instead of a normal comet tail pointing away from the Sun, this object had a tail pointing towards the Sun. Even stranger, the gas jets were coming. It were the same on both sides, which is not typical for comets. Scientists think this object might be a mix between a comet and an asteroid, possibly formed in another star system before entering our solar system. Fact number 2. Mysterious signals from deep space. When astronomers studying fast radio bursts, they detected strange repeating patterns inside some signals. These signals come from very far galaxies and ends only in a very small moment. Scientists believe they likely come from extreme dead stars, but the repeating patterns inside the signal remain a puzzle. Understanding these bursts is now one of the biggest mysteries in astronomy. Fact number 3. Hidden galaxies from the early universe. By combining many telescope observations, scientists discovered 70 hidden galaxies that existed nearly 13 billion years ago. These galaxies are extremely dim, which is why they are missed before. They appear to represent a middle stage in the galaxy growth, helping scientists to understand how the first galaxies slowly grew into the massive galaxies we see today. Fact number 4. A small satellite studying alien stars. A very small satellite called Sparks, about the size of a small box, is studying nearby dwarf stars. These stars often release powerful bursts of energy. Those bursts could remove the atmospheres of planets orbiting nearby. Sparks helps scientists to understand whether planets around these stars could actually support life or not. Fact number 5. A strange pattern in the outer solar system. Data from a deep space probe beyond Neptune planet revealed strange patterns in the outer parts of our solar system. Scientists expected the region to be smooth, but they found an unexpected density patterns. Some researchers believe this could suggest that there may be the unknown objects hiding far from the Sun. Fact number 6. A new way planets may form. While scientists studying the LHS 1903 star system, they found clues that a rocky planet may have formed in a different way than scientists expected. In this idea, space dust first moves outward around a young star and only later it begins forming planets. This changes the usual idea of how planets grow, and it may help to explain some strange planet systems discovered in recent years. Fact number 7. Earth may be losing more atmosphere than expected. Earth is protected by an invisible magnetic shield that helps to protect us from the solar wind. New simulations for the upcoming SMILE space mission suggest something surprising. Streams of very small charged particles may be escaping from Earth's atmosphere at nearly twice the expected rate. Studying this process helps the scientists to understand how planets lose its atmosphere over billions of years. Fact number 8. Space waves from crashing black holes. When two black holes crash into each other, they create waves that travel through space itself. Recent observations suggest some of these signals look slightly different from predictions. If confirmed, it could mean gravity behaves a little differently in extreme cosmic events. Fact number 9. The birth of a super powerful dead star. While scientists studying a very bright exploding star, they detected a small repeating shake in its light. This signal may reveal the birth of a powerful neutron star inside the explosion. If confirmed, it would be one of the first times scientists have directly seen such an object forming. Fact number 10. Dark energy might be changing. One of the biggest mysteries in the universe is dark energy. This mysterious force pushes the universe to expand faster and faster. Scientists studying millions of galaxies with the DESI telescope project recently noticed something surprising. The strength of dark energy may not be perfectly constant. It might be slowly changing over time. If future observations confirm this idea, scientists may need to rethink some of the biggest theories about how the universe works. Conclusion. From very small satellites studying alien stars to the discoveries that could change our understanding of gravity and dark energy, the first months of 2026 have already brought some incredible surprises, and the year is just getting started. The universe still holds many mysteries waiting to be discovered. Mention the fact that surprised you the most in the comment section below. Hit a like to this video, share this video with your fellow space lovers, and if you want to explore the strangest and most fascinating discoveries in the space, subscribe to Galaxora, because the next discovery might completely change what we think we know about the universe.